1.
What's that new Indian restaurant like on 6th Street?
Well, everyone said it was very good, but I wasn't too satisfied when I went there the other night.
Why was that?
The food was good, but it took too long to come. We had to wait for nearly an hour before we got anything to eat.
Wow, that's terrible service.
2.
I'm going to get the textbook for our biology class at the campus bookstore. Do you want to come?
No, I don't think so.
Why not? Don't you think it's convenient having a bookstore right on campus?
Yes, it is. But have you compared their prices with other bookstores? That store at the mall is usually about 10% cheaper.
Oh, I didn't know that.
3.
Do you belong to a health club? Not right now. I used to go to the Metropolitan Health Club on 3rd Street. I thought it was great because it was so cheap, but I stopped going there.
Really?
I heard it was pretty popular. That was the problem. It was too popular. It was always full of people. Sometimes I had to wait to use the machines.
That's no good.
4.
So how was the hotel in Hawaii? It was pretty good. The staff was really nice, very friendly and helpful. There was one problem with it, though.
What's that?
The location. It was too far from the restaurants and discos. Next time, I think I'll stay much closer to town.
5.
Do you want to try Italian food tonight?
Sure. Where would you like to go?
How about Little Roma? You know, that Italian restaurant across from the movie theater? It's very cheap.
That's true, but the service is pretty bad. They have new waiters, and they're really slow. They're not very friendly either.
Oh, I didn't know that. Let's try another place.